Okay, let's take a look at these Fuggler Care Bears here. I've got Togetherness Bear and Grumpy Bear. So let's take a look at the box first. You can see, really cool box design. There are 4 Care Bears you can collect. Fuggler times Care Bears there. There's the design on the back. Really cool design. We'll take a look at Grumpy Bear here. So these are 9-inch plushes there. Compare the size of my hand. He's got the slit eyes, got a little different colored hair there on the top. Blue heart nose, he's got 2 human teeth, a little bit of a crooked mouth there. He's got the cloud, I guess that's a grumpy design there on his belly. I guess he's got a little heart right there as well. And a buttonhole there on the back. And nice and soft. Next, let's take a look at Togetherness Bear here. He is this rainbow multicolored bear. Very colorful. 2 slit eyes that are different colored. He's got the dark pink heart nose, 3 bottom human teeth down there. He's got the rainbow heart kind of design there on his belly. You can see super colorful as well. He's got a heart back here and a buttonhole down there. So yeah, super cute figures. Or plushes there. If you are a fan of Fugglers and especially of Care Bears as well, then these are a must-have.